My name is Hernandez. I'm a summer naturalist here at the Georgia Eastern Nature Center. Imagine you're out on a hike. You don't have any watch or cell phone to tell the time. Did you know that you can tell time by using shadows? Today I'll be showing you how to craft a sundial and how to tell the time from its shadow.
First, let's talk about shadows. Shadows are made by an object blocking light. Early in the morning, our shadows are seen long, and as the day goes by, the shadows shift from long to short and back to long again until the sun goes down. Why is this helpful? Time. Shadows are useful to measure time, and as creatures of habit, time is very important to us. Now let's talk about sundials. A sundial is a plate that is sectioned off into different hours. Sticking up from this plate is called a gnomon. The sun, when the sundial is pointed to the north, will hit the gnomon and project a shadow on the correct hour. Let's begin making our sundial. First, you'll need a piece of paper, a paper plate, pencil or a pen, scissors or decorative scissors, and don't forget glue. Alrighty, now let's get our paper plate and paper. Flip your paper plate upside down. The circle right there is what we'll be tracing on the piece of paper because that will be glued on that side later. Once your circle is drawn, go ahead and cut out the circle with whatever pair of scissors you have around. Now, as you can see, my circle isn't perfect, so don't worry about if it's perfect or not. Now, we are going to take our circle and divide it up into 12 sections. So I started with 4 first and then 2 in between. My sections definitely aren't perfect, but it will still give us a good reading. Now go ahead and begin putting the numbers on your sundial. Now go ahead and grab your glue and really glue that thing on there. Next, make a circle in the middle for where you will put a pencil or a pen. For this next part, please have a guardian available to help you during this. So, next we'll be taking a pen and clicking it in the middle of your paper plate to create a hole for your pen or a pencil, whatever you have available. Now that we have our sundial made, we need to go and set it up outside. So I have the pencil set at about a 45-degree angle towards the 12 o'clock. And I have the 12 o'clock facing the north. To find north, I used a compass. So let's go ahead and read it. And from what I can tell, it may be around 11:20. And let's see what it says.
11:28, so that's pretty close.
Let's talk about the history of sundials. The earliest known sundial was made back in 3500 BC, and it came from the ancient Egyptians. This sundial wasn't much of a sundial at all, as it was an obelisk. An obelisk is a large stone pillar. This pillar had a great usage as it split their day into two. They knew it was a half day at noon because there was a shadow or lack of shadow cast in. Moving on to the ancient Greeks that took this time telling and wanted to advance it. They decided to cut in a bowl-shaped cut into either a block of stone or a block of wood and sectioned it off into 12 sections. When a gnomon was attached, which is a stick-shaped piece, its one job was to cast a shadow into one of these 12 sections. When pointed in the right direction, it will give a very accurate reading. Now, since the Greeks had a very, very strong influence on people who were either directly involved with them or indirectly involved, this way of telling time spread. There are now 13 different ways that you can make a sundial, but the most modern way that you can make a sundial actually comes from the Muslims. There are other ways to tell time too that were experimented, like with water and burning candles, but the most accurate way to tell time comes from a sundial. With our additional survival method, I'll be demonstrating how you can tell how much daylight is left with using your fingers.
Here you can see me using the method. For me, it was about one finger until the sun hit the horizon. For everyone, it'll be different, dependent on your finger size. So the time until the sun hit the horizon is going to also be different for everyone. My finger judged about 15 minutes. Super cool.
Thank you everyone for watching. Please make sure you go and like and subscribe and check out our other videos on the channel.